A container port looks like one machine. It's actually 7, running in parallel, each one capable of breaking the others. When the 2021 Los Angeles backup hit the news, the story was labor. The engineering documents tell a different story. A coordination collapse across every layer at once. System 1, berth scheduling. Ships are assigned to specific docks weeks in advance, sequenced by length, draft, and the cranes their cargo needs. System 2, crane sequencing. Ship-to-shore cranes don't just unload top-down. They work a choreographed pattern that keeps the vessel balanced and the yard fed at a steady rate. System 3, the yard itself. Containers come off the ship into stacks, and each stack is a Tetris board. Wrong placement, and a single box can sit buried under 30 others. System 4, chassis pools. A container can't leave the port without a wheeled chassis under it. The pool is shared, owned by no one cleanly, and tracked across multiple databases that don't always agree. System 5, drayage. Short-haul trucks that pull boxes from the yard to nearby warehouses or rail terminals. Their appointment windows are measured in minutes. System 6, customs clearance. Every container carries a manifest that must clear federal agencies before the box can legally leave. A flagged shipment freezes in place until paperwork moves. System 7, rail and warehouse handoff. The container's final exit depends on whether the inland network has space to receive it. If warehouses are full, the box stays. 7 systems, each one optimized in isolation. None of them owned by the same entity. In late 2021, every layer misfired at once. Import volumes spiked. Warehouses inland filled to capacity. Chassis got stuck under containers no one could unload. Trucks arrived for boxes that were buried. Cranes couldn't unload because the yard was full. Ships couldn't berth because the cranes were idle. Each operator was doing their job correctly. The system between them had no shared throttle. AC Engineering reviews afterward called it a coupling failure. 7 tightly linked systems with no slack between them. When one slowed, all 7 slowed. The labor story made the headlines. The coordination story stayed inside FERC and ASC filings, where systems engineers were already mapping it. A container terminal isn't a place. It's a handoff protocol. 7 of them, all running at once, all assuming the others won't slip. Which is why, when you read about a port crisis, the question is rarely who failed. The question is which handoff broke first, and how long before the others noticed.